guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jazzie, and if you're a returning viewer, thanks for tuning in for today's video. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I was able to overcome my minor setback I had last year. I want to share with you guys how I was able to grow my hair back. So this way, if you guys are also experiencing a minor setback during your hair journey, you guys will know what to do, or at least what I did, so that my hair could overcome this minor setback. So if you guys are interested, make sure you stay tuned for the video. Before I go ahead and jump right in and share with you guys what I did, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. It would really warm my heart to have one more subscriber. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell, so every time I upload a video, you won't miss out on any of my content. All right, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. So around a year ago, 11 months to be exact, I came on my channel and shared with you guys I had a minor setback that happened earlier in 2018, and I was really disappointed because I wasn't expecting any type of setbacks ever to begin with. So I'm just going to go ahead and share with you guys what we're going to be talking about in today's video. I'm actually going to show you guys the clip of me sharing with you all where my hair was and what happened to my hair last year. In that video, you guys will be able to understand what happened, and you guys will be able to see the actual damage. And I wanted to come back on my channel with the same shirt on in the same location, so you guys will really be able to see that my hair did grow within that year. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the clip of me sharing with you guys last year. So today is October 9th, and I just got done doing my hair and makeup, and I wanted to come on here and show you guys where my hair is currently falling. My hair is getting longer, and I'm so happy about it. Obviously, I have been taking the Hairfinity vitamins, so that definitely does have something to do with why my hair is growing so much and so fast. So I recently did finish my month 9 bottle of Hairfinity vitamins, but I just haven't had the chance to come on my channel and do the proper Hairfinity link check video for you guys. But I noticed when I was unwrapping my hair today, my hair has just grown so much where it's dramatically noticeable. So I wanted to come on here and show you guys where my hair is falling. And keep in mind, I do have to get my ends trimmed, but if you guys aren't familiar, I only get my ends trimmed when I get my fresh relaxer. So I got my last relaxer in June, and my next one is scheduled for December. So that will be the next time I'll be able to get my ends trimmed, which will be in December. So yeah, I wanted to come on here and show you guys where my hair is falling. And I did also want to mention to you guys, I had a minor setback earlier this year that I didn't share with you guys on my channel, but I did document it. So thank God I decided to go ahead and document my experience and my true emotions, how I felt in that moment. So I'll be able to show you guys what those footages are looking like in this video. But pretty much, you guys, I decided to color some hair that I had installed while it was on my head, and basically it did not turn out really good. I wind up bleaching my real hair. So yeah, when I found out my hair had bleach on it, I had to take the unit down, forget those braids. I just had to take care of my hair, and I'm so happy that I did go ahead and take it down immediately when I noticed it, because you guys, the damage was a lot worse than what it looked like just through the braids. It was really bad, and my hair broke off, but thank God it was nowhere near as bad as it could have been, because I'm looking at the damage over the few months that I have been experiencing it, watching it really closely, and I've noticed it could have been a lot worse. It could have been more hair, and it just could have been a lot worse. So I'm gonna show you guys. Basically, I was just bleaching the knots on my closure, and the bleach got through to my hair. So yeah, my hair wound up breaking off, and it actually changed colors first before it started to break off. And it was a really nice burgundy color at first. And I'm gonna try to see if I can show it to you guys. This is it right here, front and center. So you guys see that, where those two stop? Right there and right there. That's the breakage. That is how long it's supposed to be. And this is what broke off. And you guys are not going to be able to see it, but it does have that brown color. It's so annoying. Maybe if I brush my hair to the side, you guys, there it goes. You guys see that? That's where my hair broke off, and you guys can literally see the breakage. You guys see that? That is where my hair broke off. So that was the little setback that I had earlier this year. And yeah, like I said, it could have been a lot worse. It could have been like all here, here, here. It could have been everywhere. But thank God it was just right up here. Yeah, you guys can see it better like that. And it's so annoying because even my baby hairs don't look like that. You know, look at my baby hairs. They're a lot longer. Do it on this side. You guys see those baby hairs? They're just a lot longer, and you can tell that it just broke off. You see the line. So yeah, it's just a little annoying, but I'm happy it's not as bad as it could have been, you know? So I recently washed my hair because it's been raining here for like the past 6 days, and I just had my hair up in a bun because I was going through like my menstrual cycle and stuff. I really wasn't feeling it already. And yeah, I just got done washing and conditioning my hair. Well, I did that like 3 days ago, and today's the first day I've actually unwrapped my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn around and show you guys where my hair currently falls because it feels so good and I can keep rubbing it all day long. So there is my bra, and there is my hair. So now that you guys have seen that clip, I'm just going to go ahead and brush through my hair so you guys will be able to see where the damage was. It has grown out, and I really didn't think about making a video like this until I seen that my hair was grown out. I was like, oh my gosh, I had forgot about this breakage. I had to go on my channel and share with them what I've been doing, what has helped me overcome this little setback. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys my hair, and then I'm going to jump in to tell you guys what I did so my hair would grow back. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the same diamond brush and just brush through my hair. I actually washed my hair yesterday, so it is freshly clean, and I will be showing you guys where my hair falls like I did in the last video. So the breakage was around the front. And as you guys can see, it has grown back to the original length that it was. I'm so happy. So the breakage was right here. And I'll go ahead. So I'm really pleased with how much it has grown in such little time. And like I shared with you guys, I had completely forgot that I even had breakage and that I was experiencing a setback. So I wanted to come on here and share with you guys what I did and what helped me during this time. So one thing that I really went ham on was deep conditioning treatments. I wanted to go ahead and incorporate many different conditioners that I hadn't tried in the past. I was making sure I was reading the ingredients and making sure I was picking up products that was really hydrating for my hair, because my hair was super duper dry, which was causing it to break. Because if you guys didn't know, my hair was bleached, so it was really dry. So the one conditioner I could honestly say has changed my hair health has been this Rusk Sensories Moist Treatment. It has sunflower and apricot for an hydrating formula. It is amazing, you guys. I picked this up off of Pharma Packs for under $3, and as you guys can see, I have this much left. This has been a holy grail for me. It has been very nourishing. It's made sure my hair has stayed moisturized, and I haven't experienced much damage to any type of breakage while using this deep conditioner. Now the next thing that I did is something that I also mentioned to you guys like a year ago, and it has really helped stimulate my scalp, which is also something that promotes healthy hair growth, which has also helped my hair grow. And I'm talking about this high frequency machine. You guys, this is a game changer. You have to incorporate this in your routine if you've experienced any type of breakage, any type of damage. This is going to really stimulate your scalp. It's going to help that blood circulation increase, and it's also going to help promote healthy hair growth. growth. You can use this on your skin as well, but I typically use mine on my scalp, and let me tell you guys, I've been using this maybe like 2 to 3 times a month, and it has made a difference. This retails for like $29. Sometimes you can find it for $19 online, but it's averaging around $29, $30. It is worth the investment if you're trying to get your hair back on a healthy track from some type of setback. So I would strongly recommend picking up a high frequency machine. So those were the 2 things that I've noticed has helped my hair overcome my setback, was been stimulating my blood circulation on my scalp so that can promote healthy hair growth, as well as doubling up and really buckling down and using good deep conditioners in my deep conditioning treatment, which I do every single week. So I was making sure I was reading what was in the ingredient list and all that good stuff. And of course, that Rusk Sensory Moist is not the only conditioner I was using. You guys have to remember, I use 4 to 5 deep conditioners when I'm doing my deep conditioning treatment. So all of those products with the good ingredients really helped my hair get stronger so that I could grow my hair and I wouldn't have any type of breakage, and I would be able to retain the length. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn around and show you guys where my hair is currently falling, because my hair has grown within that year since I made that video on October 9th. And again, I wanted to wear the same shirt, be in the same setting, so you guys will really be able to see that my hair has grown. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn around and show you guys where my hair is currently falling. Alright, so you guys are able to see where my hair is currently falling. I hope you guys were able to take some of the things I shared with you all in this video and apply it to your hair care routine. So this way, if you guys are experiencing a minor setback, you'll be able to get your hair back on the healthy journey and grow some more long hair. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.